Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity, focusing on ethical hacking and penetration testing. We'll compare two popular platforms, Hack the Box and VulnHub. Both offer numerous labs and challenges, but they have their differences. We'll break down the interface, difficulty levels, types of challenges, and community support. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, stick around to find out which platform suits you best. First up, Hack the Box. Hack the Box is legendary in the cybersecurity community for its gamified learning approach and competitive ranking system. It focuses on machines, virtual environments designed with vulnerabilities for you to exploit. Your goal is to use your hacking skills to gain access and capture flags. Hack. The box offers a range of labs and challenges, from beginner-friendly to advanced. The platform simulates real-world hacking scenarios, requiring reconnaissance and target scanning. It's like solving a puzzle, and it's incredibly rewarding when you crack it. Hack the Box also features competitive challenges like King of the Hill. You can test your skills against others and see how you stack up. While there's a learning curve, especially for beginners, the platform offers plenty of resources, including tutorials and an active community forum. The community is always ready to help and share advice. So if you're up for a challenge, Hack the Box is a great place to start. Next, let's explore VulnHub, a platform that has become a cornerstone for many aspiring cybersecurity professionals. If Hack the Box is a hacking tournament, where you compete against others to solve challenges and climb the leaderboard, then VulnHub is your personal cybersecurity playground, offering a more relaxed and self-paced environment. It provides a safe legal environment to experiment and learn at your own pace, without the pressure of competition. VulnHub offers a vast library of vulnerable virtual machines, VMs, for free. These VMs are designed to simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to practice and hone your skills. You can run these VMs on your computer using virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware, making it easy to set up your own lab environment. VulnHub gives you complete control over your learning environment. You can pause, rewind, and replay scenarios as many times as you need to fully understand the concepts. Choose VMs that match your skill level and interests, whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced professional looking to sharpen specific skills. The range of topics is extensive, from web application security to network penetration testing, ensuring there's something for everyone. The platform covers a diverse range of challenges, each designed to test and expand your knowledge in different areas of cybersecurity. Some VMs are even themed around popular TV shows and movies, adding an element of fun and engagement to your learning experience. Unlike Hack the Box, VulnHub is more of a choose-your-own-adventure platform. You decide what to learn and when to learn it, giving you the freedom to tailor your education to your needs. There's no points system or ranking, so you can focus on learning without the added stress of competition. This allows you to learn at your own pace, making it an ideal platform for those who prefer a more relaxed and stress-free learning environment. VulnHub has an active community on platforms like Reddit and Discord, where you can connect with other users, share experiences, and seek advice. You can find walkthroughs, tips, and advice from other users, which can be incredibly helpful when you're stuck or looking for new strategies. While the quality of VMs can vary, each one offers a unique learning opportunity. Some may be more challenging than others, but that's all part of the learning experience. Embrace the variety and use each VM as a stepping stone to build your skills and knowledge. VulnHub is perfect for those who prefer a self-directed learning style. It allows you to take control of your education and progress at your own pace, making it a valuable resource for anyone serious about a career in cybersecurity. Beginner-friendly face-off, leveling up your skills. In the world of cybersecurity, choosing the right platform to hone your skills can be a game-changer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your expertise, the right tools can make all the difference. Which platform is better for beginners? It depends on your learning style. Are you someone who thrives in a structured environment, or do you prefer the freedom to explore at your own pace? These are important questions to consider. Hack the Box offers a structured learning path and gamified approach, ideal for those who thrive in a competitive environment. With a variety of challenges that simulate real-world scenarios, it provides a hands-on experience that can be both educational and exhilarating. It's like having a built-in motivator pushing you to improve. The sense of accomplishment you get from solving a tough challenge can be incredibly rewarding and can drive you to tackle even more complex problems. VulnHub, with its massive library of VMs, is perfect for self-directed learners. If you prefer to set your own pace and choose your own path, VulnHub offers the flexibility to focus on the areas that interest you the most. You can choose your own path and focus on areas that interest you. This can be particularly beneficial if you have specific goals or areas of cybersecurity that you want to specialize in. Hack the Box has a steeper learning curve, especially at the lower levels. This can be a double-edged sword. While it can be challenging, it also means that you are constantly being pushed to improve and learn new skills. The challenges can be tough, even for those with some experience. But this difficulty is what makes it so rewarding when you finally crack a problem. VulnHub offers a wider range of difficulty levels, including beginner-friendly VMs with hints or walkthroughs. This makes it accessible for those who are just starting out and need a bit more guidance. But don't underestimate VulnHub. It also has challenging VMs for experienced hackers. This means that as you grow and develop your skills, there will always be new challenges to keep you engaged. The best way to decide is to try both platforms. Each has its own strengths and can offer unique benefits depending on what you're looking to achieve. Hack the Box offers free access to a limited number of machines. This allows you to get a feel for the platform and see if its style suits your learning needs. VulnHub's VMs are free to download, so you can start experimenting right away. This makes it an excellent resource for those who want to dive in and start learning without any financial commitment. Find the right balance for your skill level and learning style. Whether you choose Hack the Box, VulnHub, or a combination of both, the key is to stay motivated and keep challenging yourself. Happy hacking! Finding your tribe, the power of community. In the vast and ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, finding your tribe can be a game changer. It's not just about learning new skills, it's about connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion and drive. Starting in cybersecurity can be daunting, but a supportive community makes a difference. Imagine facing a complex problem alone versus having a group of experienced peers to guide you. The difference is night and day. Both Hack the Box and VulnHub have active, welcoming communities. These platforms are more than just tools. They are gateways to a network of enthusiasts and professionals eager to help each other grow. Hack the Box has a forum where you can connect with users, ask questions, and share solutions. It's a place where no question is too basic, and every contribution is valued. It's a goldmine of information, and you can give back by helping others. The sense of reciprocity strengthens the community, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving space. VulnHub has a strong presence on Reddit and Discord. These platforms offer real-time interaction, allowing you to get instant feedback and engage in lively discussions. You can discuss challenges and get help from other users. Whether you're stuck on a problem or just need some advice, there's always someone ready to lend a hand. There are plenty of walkthroughs, write-ups, and tutorials available online. These resources are invaluable for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking to expand their knowledge. The community is generous with sharing knowledge, reflecting the collaborative spirit of cybersecurity. This generosity fosters an environment where everyone can thrive and learn from each other. Both communities offer camaraderie and support, invaluable when starting out. The friendships and professional connections you make can last a lifetime, providing both personal and career growth. It's easy to feel lost, but knowing you have a community can make all the difference. The reassurance that you're not alone can boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Whether you're on Hack the Box or VulnHub, you're not alone. These platforms are more than just learning tools. They are communities where you can find support and encouragement. You're joining a group of passionate individuals eager to share their knowledge. This collective enthusiasm creates a vibrant learning environment where everyone benefits. Embrace the community and make the most of your learning journey. The connections you make and the knowledge you gain will be invaluable assets as you navigate the world of cybersecurity. The verdict: choosing your cybersecurity journey. We've compared Hack the Box and VulnHub, but which is right for you? It depends on your learning style, goals, and preferences. Hack the Box is great for those who thrive in a structured, competitive environment. VulnHub is ideal for self-directed learners who want to explore at their own pace. There's no rule saying you can't use both. Many start with VulnHub for the basics and move to Hack the Box for advanced challenges. Choose the platform you're most likely to stick with. Consistent learning and practice are key to success in cybersecurity. So there you have it, a comparison of Hack the Box and VulnHub. Both offer incredible resources to level up your cybersecurity skills. Whether you choose Hack the Box or VulnHub, the most important thing is to keep learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.